Hi, before you celebrate humanity's march towards community, the story looks like progress, but in reality, it was a survival trap. For tens of thousands of years, we humans have drifted in tiny kin bands, moving wherever the game and the water ran. The world pushed us together, the predators, climate shifts, and the urge to protect each other forced safety in numbers. Around 12,000 years ago, the Neolithic Revolution gave us fire, the fire of farming. Suddenly, a camp became a community. With surplus specializations, tool makers, weavers, potters, and specialization came with shared rituals, stories, and languages that welded us tighter than blood. So, what we need to ask ourselves here is, are these structures we cling to now still serving a survival need, or have they become the new fence around our freedom?